Jim will be explaining the perforating and scoring accessories that come standard with the 714 XLTE tabletop folder.
With scoring this machine, the easiest way to put scoring tooling on is to remove these two hoses on the feed table. One is black, one is white. The white one is always vacuum, the black is always blow, and you color code them to matching hoses here on the manifold. You can lift this feed table out very simply and just leave it lay on the table. And then the slitter shaft assembly will lift right out of the machine. Then, taking a 3mm Allen wrench, you can loosen up and take out the flathead screw opposite of the gears is always easiest. Lift this out, lift the end cap off, then you can take these two draw rolls wheels off. We call them pull-out tires. Then you can put your scoring tooling on. Depending upon if you want to score into the fold or out of the fold is where you place this. This is the scoring blade assembly that we've just put together that we talked about. This will be actually running into this rubber tire, and that's what will create the score. So I'm actually just going to put the scoring blade on the upper shafts. Just kind of guesstimate where the score is going to go. Put the pull-out or the rubber scoring wheel on the bottom shaft, loosening up these two so that the tire will slide on. There we go. Center the rubber about onto the blade. Then you can put your pull-out tires back on. And it's always nice to keep your set screws all in the same direction. That way when you're adjusting them for the paper, they're all turned in the right direction. Now you can put your end caps back on. Put your screw back in. Then you can tighten this wheel assembly a little bit. What that does is it pulls these steel collars up against this rubber, and that will cause it to compress, and that will give you a nice even score. Depending upon the stock that you're running, you may have to compress that more or less, but for this application we're just going to be running on some 20-pound bond, folding it in half. After you get the scoring assembly put together on the slitter shafts, the slitter shafts will snap into the machine or drop into the machine on the pins right here. There's 2 pins on the frames. We'll just bring them in, bring it down, drop them in. Adjust your sheet hold downs for the stacker slightly while you're able to get at it easy enough. Then just bring your feed table in position. After you install the feed table, you can hook the hoses back into place, black into the black, white with the white. Then you're ready to start the machine up and fold a few. And as you can see, when you pull the sheet out, you have a nice score. And that way, if you're running this to a right angle section, you can make that fold and you'll get a very nice accurate fold because you're folding onto the score that you just put on.